Hey guys, welcome back. So few months back I made this video on how to clone yourself in native camera app, that is with the help of the panorama option in your smartphone. So there were some glitches on that process. It's not sure that you will have the exact good quality outcome from that process. So today we are going to see a different effect of how to clone yourself with the help of an app called as SNAPSEED. So if you are already aware of this technique, you can just leave the video, check out my other videos on my channel. So if not, let's see today how to clone yourself on SNAPSEED. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. So this is the frame we have selected. I'm just gonna take the image in 108 megapixel mode to have more details on my image. So here we need to have a fixed frame so that there is no shakes on the multiple images that we are going to take. I'm using a tripod here. You can use anything that's gonna give you a fixed frame. And I also use a MI remote to capture the images. You can use timer or just use your headphones to capture the images. So basically first I am focusing on the background to have focus on all the objects of the frame. So make sure you lock the focus and exposure. So now let's take the images that we are going to combine. So this is the first image we are going to take. So I'm just sitting in the center with my laptop. To have a light on my face, I'm using a mobile torch to make me glow. So let's take this image first. So this one is done. Let's move to the next image where I'm going to stand on the left side. So I'm just standing on the left with the mobile on my hand. So let's take this image. And now let's move to the third pose where I'm sitting on the right side with the book, and we are gonna have one more image where I'm just gonna sit with my camera on the hand. So now we have got 4 images. Now we are going to jump into SNAPSEED and combine them all. So let's now open SNAPSEED and import the first image. So give the plus icon and select the first image that you took. So I have taken this image first, so I have selected it. So now on the tools button you have an option called as double exposure. Just click on the double exposure option, and here in the bottom you have an option to add an image. Just click on the button and add the second image. Now you just need to align the image such that it fits on the perfect frame so that there is no glitch. And in the bottom you have an option called as opacity. Just click on that and increase the opacity to 100 or full. So now you'll have the image, second image alone visible. Same way, go to double exposure and now add the third image and fit it on the screen. Use both the fingers to fix it so that you don't have any glitch, and increase the opacity and click the tick button. Now do the same for the next image as well. So totally we have 4 images imported one over the other. So just click on this button at the top and select view edits. Just click on the double exposure button, the first from the bottom, and select the edit button. So now you will have the original image. You just need to rub off the portion where the second image is clearly visible. You can increase or decrease the brush level option in the bottom, and also use the invert button to clearly rub off the correct portion of the images. So I'm just going to do the same for all the 4 images, and we are going to bring back all the 4 characters into the frame. So this is the final image. Do the same, give edit, just rub off. Use mild double exposure like 50 or 25 if there is some issues between 2 images, like it will be kind of a faded effect. So now we will save the image, and this is gonna be just color graded in Lightroom. So I'm just having one of my presets. I'm just gonna try them. So if you have not seen my presets, do check out. We have a separate video for that. 350 presets, do check out. So this is one among them. I'm just gonna go with Dreams by Kario preset. This looks cool. So let's save the image and let's see how we have finally cloned our image. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was really helpful. If yes, do hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.